And Christmas has officially hit the Dollar Tree. This is so mind-blowing. I know it is early September, but here we are. I am not encouraging nor not encouraging for it to be here. I'm just simply showing you everything that is hitting the Dollar Tree as always. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you are returning, make sure you like this video and leave me a comment. So I'm just going to show you guys at a quick glance all of the different greenery, or flowers rather, that they've rolled out. They are still sitting up, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of, I'm just going to show you everything that they have so far. I think a lot of it is going to be focused on crafters. So if you are a crafter, you are in luck. Like, look at these little picks for your wreaths. And these are a little wired. I think these are new this year. The garland with the frosting. I know we've seen these before. This is more for fall rather. It does have the cinnamon smell, which is amazing. And these gorgeous pine cones. Look at these. These are definitely new this year. And they're actually really good size as well. They're pretty decent. They're not tiny. So just showing you guys every single one that they have. And I like it to look what they're doing with their shelving too. Look at that. How fun is that? Just adding little touches to their decor, or to their shelving rather. And let's see. Okay, so one thing I know for sure that's going to be coming up a lot is gnomes. There's going to be lots of gnomes throughout the Christmas collection. So if you are a gnome fan, you are in luck. All right, and then of course we have our standard lights. And let's see. Okay, I think this ribbon we've seen last year, so nothing too exciting there. And then these are similar to what they had for the fall collection. Elf Squad. That's cute. And little LED lights. And let's see. Of course, you got to have your Christmas trees. And one thing I would say is I bought these last year, and I definitely would say buy two and combine them into one, because one is probably not enough. It's going to look very empty. So if you buy two, that should give you enough filler, or you could always just purchase the filler separate. But I'm going to continue on exploring, and if there's any more Christmas, I'll definitely make sure to show it to you guys in this video. But in the meantime, let's continue on with the rest of the store. And again, if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, I do have a brand new Target Halloween walkthrough up right now, so definitely check it out. It is the dollar spot. It is loaded with amazing items ranging between $1, $3, and $5. So let's continue on with the walkthrough. And how spectacular are these little spider candle holders? Really like these. They do come in 3 different colors: the orange, green, and in the gray. So keep your eyes peeled. And speaking of your eyes peeled, look what I'm spotting here. They still have some kind of hidden in the little corner are the little cutesy ghosts. And these do light up. See if I can show you guys really quickly. You guys can see, look, all the different lights. So keep your eyes peeled, because they do still have some out. I remember buying these early on in the season, and I'm glad I did, because they are a hot commodity. So definitely a must-have. And let's see if there's any new Halloween that kind of stands out to me. Okay, these I had not seen these yet. These are the little coffin. I like that. It actually turned it into like a farmhousey coffin style. And I know a lot of people are using these to make t-shirts, which is super creative. Oh, and look at this one. Kind of looks like a beer barrel. But yeah, and then look at these galvanized signage. Definitely a must-have if you are a crafter. And I think for the most part, these items we have seen. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a couple of these. So I did end up purchasing the little potion bottles last week, and so I think this time I'm gonna grab this to go along with it, to put in my coffee bar. And I will be doing a coffee bar little area for Halloween. I know I've been talking about not decorating for Halloween, but with everything between Target Target dollar spot, the 99 as well as Dollar Tree, it is so hard not to. So I'm definitely gonna grab that. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let's continue on, see what else we can find. And look what came in as a late contender. Definitely a new item. Says tease the season to be spooky. These are floor mats. And they also have this one, Trick or Treat. Although it is a little darker in person. For some reason on camera it looks a little lighter, but it is slightly darker. But these are the two that I'm seeing right now here in the seasonal decor section. Definitely nice. I really like that one. I know there's other ones. I just haven't seen them yet, but definitely show you guys what I am seeing at my store. All right, so I'm kind of seeing a lot of new Halloween, so I'm just going to dive into that. Like, check out these signs for Day of the Dead. Pretty cool. That one says Trick or Treat. I know a lot of people are using these to make t-shirts. You basically spray them with bleach on black t-shirts, and that creates a pretty cool design. So something to keep in mind or something to try out. Oh, these are new. I had not seen these yet. The galvanized pumpkins. That is pretty awesome. And I hope you're all having an amazing day, amazing week. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if there's anything that's new that stands out to me. Look at these cute little skulls. And look what they've restocked. They brought tons of them back. Wow, I know a lot of people said that they have not been able to find them, so I hope this is a sign that you will find it, because look, my store just got tons more of these. These are actually pretty cool, and I would just say based on the Christmas ones, I would probably get two and combine them into one. And of course, you can get all of the little accessories to decorate your little tree. But how cool is that? Definitely a must-have from the Dollar Tree. Oh, so excited. I'm actually tempted to get one myself. They're only $1, so why not? Let me know if you guys are planning on getting some. But let's continue on and see what else we can find. Oh, look at these. Oh, nice. There's the bottle brush. Yeah, I think that's what those are called. And I think we've seen these before. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, these are the little tea-like holders. And yeah, the little ghost. And I think these are from last year, so I'm not going to go too into detail with those. And signage, which I think we've seen. I don't remember if I've seen this one already. I feel like I've seen so many new and different signage from Dollar Tree. And of course, you do have your See No Evil, Hear No Evil, and Speak No Evil sets. They have a couple of them left. So yeah, always pays to look around, because I've noticed things that kind of get sprinkled around the store. So keep your eyes peeled. And I'd like to just take this brief moment to congratulate our winner of last week's Spooky Farmhouse giveaway, Eileen, or Aileen. I do apologize if I'm mispronouncing your name. Congratulations, you are the winner of the Spooky Farmhouse calendar and towel giveaway. I'm so excited for you. Please do make sure you email me by September 14th, which is a Tuesday. I will list my email down in the description box, as well as pinned the comment, so you can email me and let me know where you'd like your prize to be sent to. Also, if you guys want to win another chance coming up somewhere in this video, so let's keep watching and let's continue on and see what else we can find today here at the Dollar Tree. So again, congratulations to you. And one of the things I'm really liking about their seasonal this year is just how high-end it looks. Like, check these out. These are beautiful blue candle holders. Again, have this very upscale look. They also have it in gold. And they have this orange pattern as well. So definitely keep your eyes peeled. These are just absolutely beautiful. And I could definitely see it being in any home. And most likely people would not have any idea that these actually came from the Dollar Tree. But yeah, beautiful pieces for $1. And speaking of new and premium, look at these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Larger as well. And they do have a lot more colors. Very, very nice. I feel like you could probably use this year round and not just for the holidays. Yeah, these are definitely a must-have. Well, this is very exciting. I finally found the natural wood color signage with the pumpkin. These are probably about a foot and a half. Last time I found the black color ones, and then these are the natural wood color. So I kind of like these ones better because I kind of like to go for the more natural look. The other ones I felt more were more for Halloween, but excited to have finally found these. And I just hit the jackpot. Oh, I'm so excited. Look what I just found. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love the red truck. And last year I had such a hard time finding the original socks. And now I just walked into the store and they just have tons of them for this year's new collection. So I will be picking some up for myself and I will be adding some in my next giveaway. So keep your eyes peeled and make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button because again, holidays are coming up. I'm going to be doing lots of bonus videos and tons of giveaways. So you don't want to miss them. But yeah, I'm going to snatch some of these up. Look how cute these are with the little pumpkin. Definitely a hot find here at the Dollar Tree. And they have more spectacular little socks. Check these out. And look at this little angry cat. And these that say boo. And they're upside down. Ooh, and look at these. With the little spider web. Pretty cool. And these are definitely new. It says favorite color is autumn. Look at that with the foil stamping. Nice little tumbler. And thankful and grateful. And this one just says gather with the beautiful little pumpkins. Definitely new. Have not seen them before, so definitely a new item here at the Dollar Tree. Oh, and look what they have back. Again, they have the little tractor trailers and the little campers. Adorable. And let's see, these are definitely new. Live what you love, I'm assuming. Nice little succulents. So this definitely caught my eye. They have Looney Tunes decals for your wall. That's so cute. Pray instead pray about everything. Let's see. No way. Holy cow, look what they have here. They have The Office. Wow, this is so cool. This is seriously so cool. I love The Office. Oh my god. In a million years, I would have never expected to see The Office anything at Dollar Tree. How cool is that? And they have them here in the decal section. So be on the lookout if you this would actually make for a perfect little gift for Christmas or birthday. So keep your eyes peeled. They do have them in the decal section. So good luck. So I know that makeup beauty section has been very slim pickings lately, but they did bring out some new items. These are the small tapered elf brushes, and they seem to have a lot. Let's see if there's any other styles. I think there is. Yes, there is the angled eyeliner as well. So if you are in need of some new brushes, they do have some here at the Dollar Tree. And it is honestly the only new thing that I'm seeing here in the beauty section. But of course, I always like to show you guys everything that I am finding. So keep your eyes peeled and make sure you guys are on the hunt for these little items. And don't forget, if you want a little spa day, they do have the Miss Spa face mask here at the Dollar Tree, and they do have some Yes to masks as well. So one thing just to note is some of them sometimes are expired, so it always pays to look at the expiration date. You don't want to be putting something on your face that might be possibly expired. And definitely a great find. They have restocked these. This is the Lady Speed Stick body wash. They have both versions. And they actually have the men's, and I've been using this since it came out the first time, and I have to say I really like it, so I'm glad that they brought it back. Gives me a chance to restock on these. Definitely a good item. And if you like Speed Stick, you'll definitely like this body wash. It's not overly soapy, but it definitely gets the job done. And to get this for $14.8 fluid ounces, it's definitely a good deal. So check them out at your local store. Oh, look what they finally got in. It's not quite the one I was looking for, but they do have the Brillo Scrub Square, which is basically their version of the Scrub Daddy. I know that Dollar Tree did come out with their own version. I'm just waiting for it to hit my area. But I'm going to try this one and let you guys know what I think. But yeah, pretty cool that they're finally coming out with their own knockoff. But yeah, let's continue on with the walkthrough. And Dollar Tree is getting fancy with their food. They have these chickpea masala by Safara Food, and also Delhi potatoes, or Delhi. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but yeah, definitely new items here on my local store. Hey guys, so I did want to do a little surprise giveaway. So if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are returning, you guys know the drill. Have your bell notifications on, like this video, and of course be subscribed. So this one's gonna be super simple. If you just want to be entered into this giveaway, just let me know. I would love to win those calendars. You can comment anything else, but just as long as you let me know that, I will know that you want to be entered into this giveaway. So of course you must be 18 years or over, and must be within the United States and be an active subscriber. So that's all you need to do. And of course comment. I would love to win this giveaway. So again, super simple. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening, and I will see you on the next one.